First method, create a new recipe template. Click on Add New Template. Enter the recipe name and category. In case it's a sub-recipe, enable the Batch checkbox. You can add images, notes, and as many products to your template as necessary. Recipe templates can be made from one ingredient or many. To add a new ingredient, search for the product and enter the appropriate quantity for each item. Once you're ready to create a recipe from your template, you have the option of adding PLU, sales price, tax, and linking the recipe. Here you can see the burrata recipe is linked to one location. To set up the same recipe for another location, switch the location and go to the recipe template page. Here, some products or packages are not available, highlighted with red thumbs down, which need to be mapped to create a recipe from the template. Enter the PLU number and sales price for another location recipe and link it with the recipe template. Now the same recipe, burrata, is linked at both locations. Second method to create a recipe template from an existing recipe. Go to the recipe list and search for the recipe. Open the recipe. And the Create Template option is available at the bottom of the recipe page. Link the recipe to the recipe template. And it will be available under the template list to set up at another location with the help of the Create button.